These days, it seems like everyone is microneedling. It's offered in most spas and clinics, every setup does it, and many people do it at home as well. But does microneedling really work? Hi, this is Anna from Vienna Care. And before we find out whether microneedling really works, let's quickly go over what it is. When you microneedle, you use tiny needles to cause tiny injuries to your skin. This stimulates the skin cells to heal the skin, producing more collagen in the process. The needles can be mounted on a roller, on a stamp, electronic pen, or other microneedling devices. The little holes created in the face can also help topical skincare products to be absorbed better. The main goal of microneedling is to boost collagen production so that the skin looks more youthful and feels firmer. After our 20s, our skin produces 1% less collagen per year, so microneedling can really help to fight signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. It can also help make the skin brighter and is often used to make acne scars less visible as well. In fact, a study done in 2009 reported that 100% of the participants saw an improvement in their acne scars after a microneedling treatment. Microneedling is a relatively non-invasive procedure with little downtime. Some people experience some redness or very light irritation afterwards, but this often goes away within several days. So microneedling definitely does work for most people, but this does not mean that everyone can try it. If you have very sensitive skin, active acne or eczema, it's better to skip the microneedling treatments and opt for more soothing skincare. People with sensitive skin types or active acne often report more aggravated irritation or even damage and discoloration after a microneedling treatment. If you want to start microneedling, it is best to start with a very shallow tool with needles that are only 0.5 millimeter long. The more often you receive the treatments, the longer the needles can be. Check with your dermatologist or clinic what would be the best treatment course for you. If you're looking to add some extra power, you can also try microneedling skin boosters. Skin boosters are specially formulated to be administered into the skin through mesotherapy or microneedling. They can help boost hydration, cell turnover, collagen production, and more. When choosing a skin booster, pick one that has hyaluronic acid. Skin boosters without hyaluronic acid are too thick to be properly absorbed when microneedled. Some great examples are Hyaluron, which only contains hyaluronic acid, and HDNA, which contains PDRN and hyaluronic acid. Make sure that you use a proper microneedling tool when doing it at home. Many tools available online are unregulated, and the quality of the needles is not good. This can cause more damage than benefits. That's it for today. If you have any more questions about microneedling, let us know in the comments. If you want to see more videos in the future, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching and see you next time.